What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. If you guys are curious to know what the best exhaust is for the CRF450r, you guys are on the right video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys and letting you guys hear what the best exhaust is for the CRF450r. Isn't that right, Ziggs? Right? It's the FMF, right? Or is it the Yoshimura? Or is it the Pro Circuit? Anyway, so I got the key for the garage. Let's head down there and I'll fill you guys in more about the exhaust. Ziggs, come. So as always, I'm here with my partner in crime, Ziggs. You know, Ziggs is popular here on the channel. I know you guys probably love Ziggs more than you love me, but Ziggs also says that this FMF 4.1 factory blue anodized with the carbon fiber tips is the best exhaust for the CRF4. So I'm gonna start it for you guys here in a second, but first I want to give you guys an update on this exhaust, what I've done to it in the time being. So this is the FMF 4.1 system with the Mega Bomb header, and this one has the baffles, and actually let me grab them real quick. So I removed from both of the exhausts the baffles or the spark arresters. Basically these reduce the decibels of the exhaust to a acceptable sound rate for a racing track in the United States, but we don't have these kind of sound restrictions, so I have taken them out. I'll show you what it looks like in the exhaust. It'll probably look a lot more familiar. So this is what the exhaust looks like with the baffle in, and this is what it looks like with the baffle removed. So you can see the exhaust is a lot more open and free flowing, and it sounds a lot better. So over time, I do race this bike. It has turned a nice purple blue. Even the welds are like a nice colored, like burnt look, I guess. I shouldn't say burnt, but you know when titanium gets hot and breaks in, it has this beautiful purple to blue transition. And over the time I've used this exhaust to races and stuff, some of my boot has rubbed off on this pipe, so that's one thing to consider if you guys are thinking about picking up this exhaust. As you guys can see, I don't have any dents or anything in there, so let's start it up, let's fire it up, and let's see what the cold start sounds like. And then I'm gonna take it out on the road and get some exhaust shots for you guys. So this is gonna be the cold start. Bear in mind we are in an enclosed room, but don't worry, I'll take it outside after and we'll hear what it sounds like. Warm up before I rev it anymore, just so I don't break anything. There's a little bit of heat in the engine. Let's hear what it sounds like with the choke off. Now I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like outside the garage. This is an extremely risky camera angle considering I just stuck on the mount right now and didn't allow it to dry, but let's see what we can come up with.
Yo, did you guys see anything fall off the bike? Like a camera? Like this? No?
Vlogging?
Yeah. You guys watch YouTube?
Yeah.
I'm making a video on the exhaust right now. You guys want to check it out?
What's the name?
It's youtube.com/James Todd.
youtube.com/James Todd?
James Todd, Todd. If you guys comment, I'll shout you out in the next video. You have an account. You remember it?
You're going back up?
Now, possibly I need to go look for the camera for the footage. I think I know where it is.
Can you park the wheels?
Yeah. Let's do it on this road now.
Huh?
Let's do it on this road. It's longer.
Okay.
Come. Yeah, I'm going to go look for the camera and I'll come back. You going to be on this road? Alright, cool. Yo, I'm James. What's your name?
I'm Mario.
Alright, nice to meet you guys. Not seeing that yet. Well, that did not go as planned. I mounted a GoPro on the back to get some crazy audio shots for you guys, but as you can see, it has fallen off. And when I mounted it, I was like, it's kind of a risk putting it on. This is an extremely risky camera angle. I stuck it on really well and it dropped off. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Be sure to drop a fat thumbs up if you did enjoy it. It would really help me out. And also share this video with any of your friends that you think would also be interested in it. I'm gonna go look around the yard for the GoPro. Hopefully it's still in the house, but I don't know. With that, I'm out.